Hi guys! In this video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to download and upload extensions from your computer to profile Hidemyacc. When creating a new profile, besides using available extensions, you can upload any extension from your computer to your Hidemyacc profile. First, you need to download the extension from the Chrome Web Store. To do this, you can use CRX Extractor. After installing CRX, simply search for the desired extension, then click on the CRX icon and select Download as zip to download the extension to your computer. Next, extract the downloaded file. Now, all you need to do is upload this extension file to Hidemyacc by clicking the Upload button to complete the process. The system will automatically install the extension into your profile. Next, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to add extensions in bulk. After selecting the desired profiles, click on Add Extension and upload the extension from your computer. Finally, click on Save to add the extension to the selected profiles. When running your profile, you can verify that the extensions have been installed. Above, Hidemyacc has just guided you on how to download and upload extensions from your computer to your Hidemyacc profile. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact the Hidemyacc team via Facebook, Telegram, Skype, or WhatsApp. Wishing you all success!